Hello kids! Today we'll be doing sketching. Do you want to be a master in sketching? But what we'll be sketching? The eyes, the beautiful eyes. The intensity of the sketching will make the shading of the eyes beautiful. So let's get started. For that we need a pencil, an eraser and a sharpener. Make sure before starting the sketching your pencil is very sharp. So let's sharpen it so that your tip is very nice. Like this, right? Take this extra part and throw it in the dustbin. Okay? So the first step is to sketch this circle that is given to you. You can see you have circle in your eyes, right? So let's darken this. You just have to sketch this in a way that it becomes dark. That's your first step, right? Done. Your next step is to make this portion dark. What is the trick here? You don't have to do it like, let me show you here and I'll erase it later. You don't have to do like this. That's wrong. You have to keep your hand like this and then sketch like this, one by one. Lift it so that it gives you a sketchy and a rough texture. Like this. Right? This is the right way. So we'll be doing the same here. Okay? First let me erase this. So now take a pencil like that and just move it along the line that is given to you. We'll erase that extra part later. Great. Do it. Under eye also. Make sure you notice the way I'm holding the pencil. And then the inner part. Like this is done. Now let's come to the third part. Here you have to do, just look at this. Is it matching? This is done. This is done. Now let's come here. So now you have to use your sketching here. This will be dark again. Then this. Just match it from this. So now only this is left. If you want to do something extra to match it, you can again give it a good stroke. And give your final touches. You can use your finger and rub it like this. And then you are done. Look how beautiful it turned out, right? This is your step. Now we'll move to the next step. Now let's come to the fourth part. For that we'll again give it a good sketching. Like this. Done. Now let's come to the next part. Give your eyebrows. This is the under eye part. And this. And the circle inside. Like this. Now let's sketch this. This has to be the darkest of all since this is the final one. Right? So then give it a good dark outline first. And then we'll sketch your eyelashes, right? These are your eyelashes. So get it outside like this. Don't make it too large, just within the eyebrows, right? And then see the sketching here. This part is a bit intensified like this. So use the sketching here like this. Have more strokes. Great. And then have your hands like very lightly so that you give it a sketching effect down here and then intensify this, the internal part from both the sides, and then you can use your finger to reflect it from inside. See, it is coming like that, right? Now you have to color this part also. So the upper part is darker and the lower part is light. So we'll do it exactly like that. Great. Now you have to cover your lashes, but the eyebrow, you have to have it darker. So now the eyebrows are dark. Also, the eyelashes needs to be darkened just like that. From this side. Just observe this. So then take your pencil again and then shade it like this. So now smudge it outside And then take your eraser and erase the part that went outside your eyebrows. Now coming to the next step. So again, darken it, make it an outline. Great. Now the eyebrows, then this, right. So now you have to sketch just the eyebrow part and a bit inside. That's it. This step is done. Just do it here also. That's it. Now moving to the last step. You have to see how dark it is. This is the final eye now. So use all your sketching skills here. The eyebrow, darken it. Give your finishing as much as possible. Observe this part and then give it a good sketch even inside. Smudge it inside. And then you are done. So your beautiful eye sketching is done. Thank you.